All right, guys. Welcome back to DS Family Lifestyle Vlog with another video. Today we going to make some red pea soup. For all of you Jamaicans out there, you guys know what red pea soup is all about, right? And for who doesn't know, just gonna go through the process and show you guys basically what we're gonna do. So we have some of the red peas here, other known as kidney beans, soaking in some water here with a little bit of garlic. Here we have some chicken feet with some cow skin and a little piece of beef that we're gonna be added in there as our meat. And over here we have our ground provision that we're gonna be using also, and some natural season. And so I will just go through. We have a little piece of pumpkin. We have a chocho here, a little piece of sweet potato, a little piece of yellow yam, two potatoes, three potatoes here, and we have three cocoa, and we have two sweet corn, and two little piece of carrot here that we're gonna be using alongside the natural season here with some thyme, scallion, and two scotch bonnet pepper. And of course, we're gonna put some pimento seed in there to give it a little bit of flavor also. And we have some pumpkin soup, beef soup mix here that we're gonna be added in there. All right, guys. So all of this, guys, is coming up in this video. So just stay tuned, guys, and we'll let you guys see the whole process. All right. All right, guys. All right, guys. Checking back. Checking back. So we go ahead and we cut up all of our ground provision here that you guys can see here in the bowl here. And we go ahead and we put in our cow skin and chicken foot and the little piece of beef that I told you guys about that I had. Just to kind of speed up the process, we put it in the pressure pot to get it tenderized. And in this pot over here, we have the peas that's going, right? These peas are pretty soft, so that's why I didn't put it into the pressure pot. So yeah, so that's the stage that we reach right now. We just have to wait for this pressure pot to finish. I'm gonna give it another probably about I would say 20 minutes tops. You know, it could be less. And then we're gonna transfer all the meat that we have in here inside of the peas pot here and let it finish cook. And then we're gonna add in our ground provision. And after the ground provision there, we're gonna put in some dumpling. As you guys familiar with what how we make the dumpling. So we show you guys as we go, right? As I say, guys, this one here is a very quick one today. And you know, I didn't even plan to record it today, but then, you know, I'd say, you know what, just give you guys something to watch. So I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. All right, guys, so just stay tuned. All right, guys, check in back. So we go ahead and we transfer the cow skin and the beef out of the pressure pot here, and we add them inside of the pot with the red peas. So we're gonna let this cook down more, and I already add the pumpkin in. And what the pumpkin gonna does is gonna cook and it's gonna mash out and give the soup the flavor, right, and the color. So yeah, so I'm just gonna let this cook down some more and tenderize the cow skin a little bit more. It's cooked, but I need it to be softer. So yeah, so the chicken foot, I know they're, I would say 75-80% done, and the beef also. So we're gonna let this cook down with the beef, with the peas. And what this gonna does is gonna give the beef and cow skin and the cow foot that red looking color that we want, right? So yeah, so that's how we do it. So and then afterwards we're gonna add in the ground provision in there and show you guys the process as we go. All right, guys, so the stick and stay, and we show you the rest of the process as we go. All right, guys. All right, guys, check in back. All right, so we go ahead and we add in the rest of the ingredients them in here. So this is actually what the color what I want it to look like, right? So there's a lot of people when they make red pea soup, they put coconut milk in there and all that. For me personally, I don't really like it, but it's an option if you guys want to do it, if you guys want to try this dish. I like my coconut in my when I'm making rice and peas. But yeah, this is what you want it to look like. It's still not done. Still got a little bit more to go and ticking up a little bit more. But yeah, but this is the color that I was looking for. So I already put in the all of whatever I need to put in there, the scallion, thyme, the pepper, and few pimento seeds, and the dumpling and everything is in there. So yeah, so that's what you want your red pea soup to look like if you're making it. As I said, coconut milk is an option if you want to do it, you can, but you don't really have to. Um, I find that this way you get the real natural taste out of the kidney bean or the red peas when you're doing it this way, right? I tend to find that sometimes the coconut milk overpower the taste that you're looking for out of it. But that's my personal opinion. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys, and I will show you guys when it's almost ready to comes off the stove here. But yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, check in, check in. So this is actually the finished product right here, right? And this is actually what you want your red pea soup to look like. The texture, like it's not runny or anything, like nice and thick. That's how you want it to be, right? So yeah, there you guys have it. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna dish out a little bowl of it, and actually we give you guys a feedback and let you guys know how it tastes. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. All right. So as I said to you guys earlier on, that I'm gonna do the taste test and let you guys um tell you guys what it tastes like, right? I know it's pretty good because as I'm cooking it, I was tasting it along the way, right? But I'm just gonna let you guys. Whoa, this is pretty good, guys. I'm tasting these pimento seeds that I put in there. Trust me, it give the soup so much flavor, right? Yeah, and it have so much body, like it's not runny like how some people would cook their red pea soup. This is actually the way it's supposed to be. Wow. All right, guys. So I'm gonna close out this video here and dig into the rest of this. So thank you guys for watching, and please remember to like and share and comment, and most of all subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, guys. See you in the next one.